Sprint planning does not fail during the meeting. It fails before the meeting even starts. If your sprint planning feels chaotic, runs over time, or ends with unclear commitments, the issue is preparation. Hello, I am Pankaj, a product manager with experience working as a product owner, collaborating with engineering teams to deliver predictable and high-impact sprints. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to prepare for sprint planning so that your sessions are focused, efficient, and outcome-driven. Step 1. Start with clear sprint goal. Before anything else, define sprint goal. This is where most product owners go wrong. They walk into the planning with a list of tickets, not clear objective. Ask yourself one question. What is one outcome we want to achieve by end of the sprint? For example, improve onboarding completion rate, reduce checkout failures, release version 1 of a key feature. A strong sprint goal aligns the team and helps in planning trade-offs during planning. Step 2. Ensure backlog is properly refined. Your backlog should not be a surprise to the team during sprint planning. Every story you plan to bring into the sprint must be clearly defined with problem and context, broken down into manageable pieces, estimated by the team in advance, and free of major ambiguities or dependencies. If your team is still asking, what is this about during planning, refinement has failed. A good rule is simple. If a story cannot be explained under a minute, it is not ready. Step 3. Prioritize with intent. Do not just bring the top items from the backlog. Make sure your priorities are aligned with business goals, user impact, technical dependencies. Also be prepared to explain why each item matters. Engineers are most engaged when they understand context, not just the task. Step 4. Check team capacity and constraints. Sprint planning is not just about what to do. It is about what is realistically achievable. Before the meeting, have a clear view of team availability, holidays or leaves, carryover work from the previous sprint. Overcommitting is one of the fastest ways to lose trust with the team. Plan realistically, not optimistically. Step 5. Align with stakeholders in advance. Avoid last-minute surprises. If there are critical features or deadlines, align with stakeholders before sprint planning. This ensures you are not forced to reshuffle priorities during the meeting. It also builds confidence that the team is working on what truly matters. Step 6. Be ready to facilitate and not dictate. As a product owner, your role is not to push work into the sprint. Your role is to enable the team to make informed decisions. Come prepared with clarity, but stay open to feedback. Sometimes the best insights come from engineers during planning. Here is a question for you. What is the one thing that usually goes wrong during sprint planning sessions? Is it unclear requirements, overcommitment, or shifting priorities? Do share your experience in the comments. Thank you.